This is my review of the Fitbit Charge 5 after 30 days of using. So let's start with the most important thing. Do I think that Charge 5 is worth the price tag of $180 or 180 euros in my case? The answer for that is no, but it depends on you and what are you searching. And a little small advice is try to find one when it's on the sale. First thing that I must say, I didn't buy this watch because I needed a watch. I wanted to have a steps tracker because I wanted to get a little bit of help and to stick with something that is gonna push me to exercise more than before. If I look Fitbit Charge 5 from that point, I would say that the price tag is totally worth it. Is there a better solution out there? I would say so, because it's in that $180 area, or like we can say 200, you can get a lot more from Samsung or Huawei or even Apple for a little bit more. So if I need to say what is the best thing, basically it's really small. You will not feel it like on the hand and you will always have it on. I'm not a fan of the watches and I do not carry a watch in every day. But Fitbit Charge 5 is always on my hand and it's like more like a bracelet than a like normal watch or a smartwatch. I will show you now what function does it have and what can you do with them. With this Charge 5 you will get a 6 months Fitbit Premium, but I don't think that I will use it after that 6 months because I need only 4 steps and calories, and that is like the only thing that I'm using this. And so yeah, let's start with the menu. Okay, so if you scroll down you have the payments. So it has the NFC, but like you need to connect Fitbit payments, and I didn't set up that because I have everything on my Google Pay, so I will not use that, but like I assume it's working fine. So you have screen weight, automatic water lock, turn on, settings, that's everything on the top. It has the GPS and that's it. If you touch the screen, every time it's gonna show you different stats. So this is the calories burned for the day. This is the kilometers, how many did you, or miles if you're in US. This is the minutes that you are exercising. So I had like 38 minutes today. And this is a number of steps that I have done today. And that's it. So this is if you scroll down you can see the battery status. The battery is perfect, I must say, and in front of the competition it will last more than 7 days, and it's really nice and it's a big plus for a Charge 5. So on this screen you can see date, you can see steps count, how many kilometers that you, and how many active minutes do you have for the day. So if you scroll down you can see hourly activity, heart rate. I'm not sure how it's calculated. I think that's the average in the last minute or something, because like sometimes it's just like showing some funny things like and it doesn't make sense, like. But if you scroll down you can monitor when do you sleep, you can measure your oxygen level in the blood. This is the exercise for the week. So like I have set a goal that every week I need to do 5 days. So basically 5 days per week I have at least one exercise. And that's it. If we scroll up on the beginning, we can go right. There's a notification. You can pick the exercise. You can swim, bike, treadmill, weights, interval works, which is super. And you have alarm, stopwatch, timers, countdown, stopwatch, add a scan. This is something for the are you under stress or something. It takes 3 minutes, but I didn't use too much. And you can make a ECG of your heart, and that's basically it regarding the function. So I would say it's pretty easy to use. It's very user friendly, and there is not a lot of options, but like it's good enough. When it comes to display, it's really good looking. Like it's basic, but everything is clear, and like I don't know what is the resolution, but like it's really good. And display sensitivity, it's not perfect. Sometimes you will want to open to see the screen, but you will double tap it and the display will not show an image. So I'm not sure, it's not working perfect, you know. Sometimes it's working, but sometimes it don't, so it can be sometimes annoying. So but like overall, I would say if you want a health tracker with a clock function, then Charge 5 is a perfect. But if you are searching for a smartwatch tracker combo, I would recommend something from Samsung or Apple, because this one is just a basic. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and comment what do you think about Fitbit Charge 5, and see you in the next video.